They say that elevation requires a separation, and I'll say to you that there's never been a truer statement. Once you start to elevate, you will have to either willingly or forcefully separate from certain people that are in your life. Understand that some people are like roots, they'll stay. Some are like branches, they spend a longer time. And some are like leaves, when they go, they never come back. Be careful of who you allow in your life. Do not feel bad because of your process of elevation. Do not feel bad because it's making other people unhappy. I say to you, if you're living your best life and it makes others unhappy, as long as it's not illegal or unethical, then go for it. I implore you to live your best life. There are some people that they don't want you to experience growth. It doesn't matter if you're making things better for yourself. They just want you to remain in that state of stagnation. It's not good for you. You grow every single day that you live. Every day above ground is a blessing, and you take that opportunity to execute and to put your best foot forward, to be productive, and people are not supportive of that. As soon as you start to experience a process of elevation, you hear, oh, she get hype, and oh, she never much but she come from. That's it. I remember exactly where I'm coming from, and that is why I wish not to revert to that state. My past is not supposed to be holding me hostage. My past is supposed to be catapulting me in the future, and so is yours. Do not let people make you feel bad for living your best life and putting your best foot forward. You understand me? When they can't hold you as hostage and swing you around and make you spin like when fall get leaked, that's when it becomes a problem, and that's when people start to reveal their true colors. And trust me, I've seen true colors from people. But those things should only push you. Those things should only motivate you. Those things should only inspire you to be a better person. You understand me? Acquire all your assets. Go for it. Get your education. Do what you want to do. Start your business. If it's that supposed to kill them, then make it kill them. If your happiness is causing their diagnosis to be sad, miserable, and unhappy, then guess what? There's nothing you can do about that. They're gonna die, because guess what? You're gonna keep pushing forward. A lot of people want you to remain in that state that they met you, and they want to see you do bad. You understand? They want to be there and here, so oh, see, they are foreigners suffer. Oh, our John they over this and John now going good. Trust, don't let that be the case. Do not fulfill their dreams. Do not fulfill their desires. You understand me? Make them mad. Because when you're not doing well, that's what makes some people happy. But the moment you start to persevere, you understand me? And press along and being resilient about every single thing that you're doing. You're determined, you're committed. And even when you suffer sometimes in silence, you trust me, all they see is growth, and it makes them mad. Trust me, there are some people that you can't allow to see you at your worst. They'll use it to kill your esteem and your confidence. And you can't afford for that to happen. So you have to keep your best foot forward at all times. And remember that when some people go, it's a process of elevation that's requiring separation that's taking place at that moment. You gotta make them mad, because guess what? You'll always keep putting your best foot forward. Never forget, elevation requires separation. And when some people leave your life, trust me, you start to see blessings that shower down like rain upon you. You start to see things unfolding that you're asking yourself, was it that one person blocking all these blessings? Was it these person blocking these blessings? Because trust me, sometimes it's not even one person you separate from. Sometimes it's a bunch of people. Sometimes it's a group of them, heavyweight, trying to weigh you down. Never feel bad about your growth. Elevation requires separation.